If you're using an Android phone and noticed your calls are being recorded without you realizing it, this video is for you. I'll show you the exact steps to stop automatic call recording in less than 30 seconds. Let's jump right into it. 1. First, open the phone or dialer app on your Android device. This is the same app you use to make phone calls. 2. Now look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that, and then tap Settings. 3. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see an option that says Call Recording or Auto Call Recording. Depending on your phone brand, Samsung, Infinix, Xiaomi, etc., it might be listed slightly differently for. Now here's the important part. If the option called Enable Auto Call Recording is turned on, it means your calls are being recorded automatically every time you make or receive a call. 5. To stop this, simply toggle it off. That's it. Once it's turned off, your phone will no longer record calls automatically. Bonus tip. Keep in mind, if someone else is using a third-party app to record your call, this setting won't stop them. You'll need to check for any suspicious apps or permissions in your phone settings. If this helped you, give the video a like so more people can find it. And if you want more privacy tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.